Hey guys, so we are back again with another pretty cool truck here. So this is a Tamiya Bush Devil. So cool little story behind this truck from at least what I read online. So when this truck came out, this is probably about 92 or 93. I remember when this truck came out in the stores, and supposedly the Bush Devil, they were referring to George Bush for some reason when he was in office. At least that's what the story is, because if you look on the side, you have Texas turf tamers, and that's where George Bush was from. Yeah, George Bush. So I don't know why, but that was the story I read online. So something must have been going on with Japan and George Bush at the time. I really couldn't tell you what the backstory is 100%, but that's what I heard about. This is a really cool truck. It's really different. A lot of colors they used, pink, really different blue chassis. I love this front Nerf bar they put on this truck. There you go again, Fort Worth, Texas. So yeah, pretty cool. Let's let's go top view real quick here. And we'll take this body off. And there it is. That kind of obscure, odd chassis. They used a lot of different colors. We got the red shocks, the blue chassis, the pink wheels. Just a lot. There's a lot going on this truck. This has an upgraded Tamiya motor. I don't think that was a factory motor. I think it just came with a standard 540. Pretty cool truck. So if you know more on the backstory of this whole Bush Devil, you can add your comments. Maybe add a little history to this truck. Again, pretty cool, all original truck. I really like this clear body. You know, Tamiya was doing a lot of hard plastic bodies, and then they went with this clear plastic body. I think it was the only clear plastic body they used for the so-called Blackfoot series trucks. But there you go. Something a little different. Something you don't see very often. Get some sun on it before we go. Alright guys, yeah, beautiful. I love those decals. Let's just take one more minute with the sun hitting that thing. With those pink wheels. Very cool. Alright guys, we will be back again soon. Take it easy.